What's up, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to go ahead and make another video with the turtlewax products, just because, really because I was having trouble with the Max Wax in my last video, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. But I'm going to go ahead and use the one and done compound as well, and all my preps because I'm going to be working on a Toyota Avalon. So we'll go ahead and get started right after this. All right, guys, so the wheels are done. Now it's time for the wash. All right, guys, the car has been washed. I went ahead and used the clean slate, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the cleaning process. All right, guys, so it's been clayed. I'm going to go ahead and use some wipeout now because the clay will sometimes leave some residue behind. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the polishing process. All right, guys, I'm starting at this angle just because you can see with the lighting here, well, with the sun, you can see all the scratches. So that's why I'm starting at this angle. I got All right, guys, so some things that I wanted to mention here was that I was probably able to get about 85% of the scratches out. The owner of the vehicle didn't want to go any further, and I didn't want to take any risks either. But it definitely added the gloss and shine that the owner of the vehicle wanted and was able to remove, like I said, probably around 85%, which makes a big difference. Perfect. Definitely did what I needed to do, so awesome. Just gonna go ahead and continue down with the rest of the car. All right, guys, the polishing is done. Now time to go ahead and try the wax again. I'm gonna go ahead and use the wipe down again to take off any other compound oils. But it came out really awesome again. Turtle wax nailed it with that compound. It's awesome. All right, guys, so I tried a little bit here, and the coverage was a hell of a lot better than with the last vehicle. Here we go. Look at that. So much easier. I'm glad that I didn't just roll it out completely. Because, yeah, that's a heck of a lot better than my first experience. You know, the application. I'm definitely getting even coverage now, so that's awesome. The only difference that I could think of is on the clean slate, I added 2 ounces instead of 1 ounce. I don't know if that had anything to do with it when I did my prep wash. But yeah, that's a lot better. This is what I'm talking about right here. Very smooth. Definitely easy to apply. I'm gonna get this done in no time now. You still gotta have the damp cloth though. But yeah, that's a lot better. That's what I was looking for. Very cool. Let's go ahead and just wipe this area down. And then clean microfiber towel. That worked. The application was a lot better. The wipe down still still same experience, but it's just taking the damp cloth, and that's just the nature of this product. But I'm definitely glad I tried it again, because that I can see the coverage now. And the application, it's easy to apply. So there we go. Like, I'm just showing you this area right here. God, it came out so nice. All right, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.